Now the topic is Newton laws of motion. Actually, three laws were there. First law, second law, third law. Now first law describes about inertia. If I say there is a big long definition, inertia is the inherent tendency of the body which makes the body to move continuously or to stay continuously until or unless an external force is applied. But this looks somewhat freaky, but I'll explain in detail. If I take a body B, it is floating, it is just there, and if nothing is there over here, completely empty space, if I just leave, it will be just moving somewhere. But if I apply some force, it gets slowed down or it can move back, it can burst, anything can happen. If no force is applied, if this is in rest, it will be in rest only. If it is in motion, for suppose this ball only moving with 5 meter per second, it will move 5 meter per second at any instant. Even if you see after 1 year, after 2 years or 3 years, no external force is acting there. That is inertia. Simply, if I take a body, if it is in state of rest, it will be in rest only. If it is in state of motion, either accelerating or decelerating, or it is in uniform velocity, it will be in that only. That is Newton's first law, which is inertia. And now if we take the second law, it says rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the force applied. This looks somewhat freaky. See, we know P is equal to mv. P means momentum, m means mass, v means velocity. If I differentiate this with respect to time, this is the thing which we will get. The rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. This is also called as the force applied. But the main thing over here is the direction of acceleration will be in the direction of force. Simply, if we kick a ball, there is a guy, he kicked this ball, it will move in forward direction. This is the direction of force and this is the direction of motion. This is Newton's second law. And now Newton's third law. Everyone will know this one. For every action there is an equivalent and opposite reaction. If you see, very funny example. If we propose a girlfriend, without proposing, she can't be your girlfriend. If this is you and this is a lover, one side lover, why? Because still you didn't propose. If you go and propose her, there are possibility of two actions. If she accepts, then no need, then the history repeats again. If she rejects, she'll slap you. There is an action. You are proposing, that is an action, and if she accepts, that is a reaction. If she rejects all, that is also reaction. But any one thing will happen based on the constraints. If you propose good, she'll accept. Then the next story will be another thing. If she rejects, she'll slap you. This is for sure. Everyone knows this one. This is universal truth. This is the Newton's third law. For every action, there exists an equivalent and opposite reaction. Best example is rocket. Since from my childhood and your childhood, even for everyone's childhood, this is the best example which will be available in textbook. Here there will be some fuel. If you burn this one, it will produce some thrust over here and the rocket will move over here. This is the thing. Thank you.